Hakakam san pertai lani ka politics, barabor ka dan Kylliang sensyar ka bapenya ya ka jela, bat kum joru Kylliang persya ka belong kum kenong pet perman, ya kirukom trekam Kylliang sensyar. Kum kinong mi khmat, kamat ka bah khmat du ka long, ban wan ra ya ki kam ki ban pen bha ban pen roy ya ka jela, la ka long ha ka no Kylliang, bat kam dai bandan ka no ka jingle politics ka ban pen thot pat ya ka ta ka kam pen roy. Kajing ya kawang kete, kajing ya kentho iwe hapadang kini ki Kylliang mamla, halor ki benta ki babon la ka long ha yeng dorbar thau an, ha kino kajing ya lang bat wat hadu ki rensan social media, ka long ka ka ba ki pat ba ki saki na kapor sya kapor. Buon na pedang kini ki nomi khmat hi, ka long ka ka bajen jar ya ki, pakin ya trei lang ya ka no ka kam, namar ka jing pam ya so thu jing mot, lani ka la ban long ru, ba ki dan la ki jong ki daw. Henry ka long ka basu tenat pat ban yoi, badan na pedang kini nomi khmat ki persang ban pen ya ka nuksa ka babha da ka bay trei lang, ban wan ra ya ka roy ka par, ha ka snong ka tha wat la ki dan hala ki jong Kylliang. Haka khalai tarik uno pra arja apply hadin baka menteri bedai kemi ikatanat ka kot ka khia ka Dr. Ampareen lingdo kala lej ban jurip ka PHC husband haka balai don lang ru MLA ka nongkram uba Ardent melebasayumon uba don haka liang persya kala don ka jingalang haka baki niki argon haka jing ai jing kran kila penpau baki long ki balakloy ban bo ya laki Jingsngew politics Shadien Henry ban pen I da ka jinga trei lang kham tam bat ka Īaroh mar Kylliang naki niki argon.
All good? All good?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a good stop?
Yeah.
When the minister visits, it has to be like that, no?
MLA.
Otherwise,
Minister and MLA.
Do you have
we
a
can't
copy
expect
of
that the stock
do
will
you
be
have a
less.
copy of the news?
During the
Keep
visit
coming.
of the
I'll keep
minister.
coming. Keep coming.
Copy of the essential
We'll
documents.
keep coming.
You got the real copy? Soft copy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you have all the essential
Basic.
No, you EDL has come, ma'am.
Kajing baha na kabenta gikhon ki hajar ngimde bandan ka politics ka bapendik hapring ban nga IP ya ka assurance ba ya kanu hi ka ban kta hi ya kajing long kajing man jong pun hajar fight ban riu jungi ngimde ban sha ya kata ban nga buram palat ipi ba piklem ken ya kata bat pikloi ban wan hakapol ban ya khana ban ong ba tong ini kendo no lai pejim tak sengi
Shisha kalong ka minister ka bakit kia ka ba smart ka ba sting mo I officer ila keren ngatrai teng ki officer ki hapnya mari nadin mo tengi sutrat ba yo ya ka minister ka bakum gini bara ka jingtrai kam ka jinga hakini ki kindet manai ngesem ba kande gwe ni ki minister ka ban compare ka ba shim yingi lese kom kita ki nongi kit kinong ba yu pat ba mdei kim kita Kylliang persya mo ban sulet phoi bet dai kendo ndrai ya tenru hakikam bari bani tenru. And this is the beauty of democracy. When we as members in the opposition raise some good, important, pertinent issues for the people, so government get a chance to act. So the improvement of this BC or any other health center in the state would be depend entirely on the active participation of MLAs belonging to the opposition, so that we can point where is we are going wrong. Te kani kade kata ka bangi sngotana kum ki mo ka jing ka dor jing democracy, where we need to have an opposition raising some constructive issues, and we need also a government that has an ears to listen to the plight of the people.